Bihar is one of the most important Hindi heartland states, and with 40 seats, it plays a key role in determining the final results of the Lok Sabha elections. Bihar is in fact among those states where the BJP managed to sideline the once strong regional parties and assert its dominance. In our continuing series, Election Exchange, Santiago reports what 2024 Lok Sabha elections mean for different parties in the state of Bihar.
Bihar was once dominated by regional parties like Lalu Prasad Yadav's Rashtriya Janata Dal (RJD) and Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United (JDU), which provided key support to the governments at the centre. But in 2019, the state gave the BJP an overwhelming mandate. The BJP won 17 seats and its alliance partner JDU 16 seats. In contrast, Congress managed just 1 seat and the RJD didn't open its account. In all, when the dust settled, the NDA had 39 of the 40 seats in the state. The BJP is confident of bagging all 40 in the 2024 elections.
विकास के कार्य किए, लोगों को कमिटमेंट पूरा करने का काम मोदी सरकार ने किया, इसलिए जनता मोदी जी और नीतीश जी को वोट करना चाहती है.
RJD, which is a key ally in the India bloc, says the BJP has not kept its promises and its poor track record will break the NDA's hold in the state.
We're going to surprise everyone and we're going to win majority seats, and in result it will happen that NDA will not form a government in central. So it is one-sided. You have only cheated, you have only promised, but you have not delivered anything. Nothing. 0. Out of 100 they get marked 0.
Both the India bloc and experts add that JDU leader Nitish Kumar's track record of switching sides multiple times will cost him dearly. We asked BJP that very question.
बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ताओं से जो मेरी बातचीत हुई है मैं आपको बताती हूँ. उनके लिए बड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो गया है कि कुछ महीनों जो है वो नीतीश कुमार जी की तारीफ करनी है, कुछ महीनों उनकी बुराई करनी है. फिर 2015 के बाद ही पहले बुराई करनी है, फिर तारीफ करनी है, फिर वापस 17 में शायद बुराई करनी है. 2023 से पहले मोदी जी से लेकर के बाकी बड़े भाजपा नेताओं ने
एक नेता का नाम
मैं नाम नहीं बता रही हूँ. प्रधानमंत्री जी से लेकर के बड़े नेताओं ने कहा था कि चाहे जो हो जाए अब हम नीतीश कुमार जी के साथ वापस कभी नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि उनकी वजह नहीं थी.
वो मैं मानता हूँ.
ठीक है.
हम आज भी नीतीश कुमार जी जो बिहार के पॉलिटिक्स में एक बड़ा चेहरा है, इसलिए हमने समझौता किया, इससे कहीं कोई डिफर नहीं करता.
The people of Bihar, however, are more concerned and frustrated with rising inflation, unemployment and corruption.
वो असल मुद्दा महंगाई है. महंगाई सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा हमारे लिए है, जिंदगी के लिए है.
मोदी जी हमारे यहाँ आकर रोड शो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनके मुंह से एक वर्ड आप रोजगार का नहीं सुन सकते हैं. क्यों?
BJP says it has worked on these issues but has had to spend time and effort undoing and repairing the damage done by RJD.
आप समझ लीजिए, क्योंकि लालू जी ने पूरा डंप कर दिया था, क्योंकि वो चीफ मिनिस्टर बनने के बाद राजा हो गए थे. तो हम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं. अभी तो डेवलपमेंट मेरा पूरा ही नहीं हुआ है. तो हम लगातार बिहार के विकास के लिए नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में काम हो रहा है.
The India bloc, meanwhile, is banking on the anger among the youth over the armed forces employment restrictions brought in by the Agniveer scheme, which has mandated short-term enrollment and removed benefits like pension and medical facilities to those who are relieved of duty within 4 years.
Will you guys come up with a new recruitment system for the forces or bring the old one back?
The old one, the way it used to run.
BJP has sensed the damage this anger among the youth could cause and says the NDA is willing to rethink these restrictions.
उसमें राजनाथ जी ने बहुत स्पष्ट कर दिया कि इस पर यदि पुनर्विचार की जरूरत होगी तो होगा. इसमें कौन बड़ा बात है?
For BJP, the 2024 Lok Sabha elections is about continuing its winning streak. Experts say Bihar is important for BJP's grand plan to sideline the regional parties and assert its dominance in the state like it has managed in Uttar Pradesh. For JDU, these elections are about coexisting with the BJP without losing any more ground. For Congress, it's a fight for survival, and for the RJD, these elections are a way to make a comeback at the national level and lay a foundation for the 2025 state assembly elections. In Patna, with camera person Swapnil Bandekar, this is Santya for CNBC TV 18.